Seriously? What is your problem? Gosh. Alright, well. I don't know. Is it because I'm... Oh, is it because I'm not zeroing out the y value? I don't see why that would matter. But let's find out. D offs minus equals vector 3 dot up times d offset dot y. Wonder if dash still works. Oh, is that it? It's because I wasn't zeroing out the y value? I mean, the y value should have been pretty zero to begin with, but what is? Or no, is it still happening? It's hard to tell. It might not be. Alright, whatever. Does dash work? Seems to work fine. Alright, whatever. Alright, then I guess all's right in the world. Maybe? Alright, so spawn period 1. Yeah, so, right. So now I guess right, so yeah, the thing I'm, assuming that's all good and right with the world now, the thing I was going to change before all that was the targeting system, so that now we target mobs with cookies before we target mobs without cookies. The cookies, like, so after I introduced the cookies, it became apparent that it's kind of irksome when the AI like chases down dudes without cookies when they're perfectly good dudes with cookies that they could be chasing down instead. So I'm going to change it so that the targeting system, now it will check, and if it finds a dude with a cookie, then it'll do what it normally did. But if it only finds a dude without a cookie, it keeps looking until either it finds a dude with a cookie, or if it reaches the end of the scan, then it falls back to the guy without the cookie. So it only chooses the guy without a cookie if there's no one in range with a cookie. Yeah. So right. So yeah, we had scan result already, and so now we're adding in scan backup, which is our. So yeah. So we're gonna change scan to only use scan result if we find a cookie, and then use scan backup if no cookies are to be found. So yeah. So scan result dist equals 0, and also scan backup dist equals 0. And then right. So that, etc., etc. Oh right, yeah. That's just the setup work that we have. Yeah. So I think most of the changes that will actually be in scan cell. They won't be in scan range. Let me just double check if that's true. Oh, we return scan result? Okay, yeah. Yeah, right. Okay, so we can just change how that works. So we can say, okay, so yeah, that's one thing we'll have to change. Return scan result greater than scan result greater than or equal to 0 question mark. And if so, then we return scan result. And if not, then we return scan BK. And so then in the case that we didn't find either, then it'll return scan BKU, but they'll both be equal to -1, so it'll be the same result either way. So now we have to update scan cell. Yeah. So right. So previously it had just been if these criteria are met, then scan result equals scan result equals tail, and scan result is equals offset magnitude. But actually, we want to say if mob's carrying tail. If mob's carrying tail. Yeah, get some rest and feel better soon. Get plenty of hydration, I guess. That's what works for me. So I hope you feel better. Sorry to hear you had a not as great weekend, but good on you for quitting smoking. Think of all the good health you'll have in the future for not smoking. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I don't know exactly what's on the agenda for tomorrow, but it'll probably be. Oh wow, it's almost 6:30. Yeah, I'm actually probably gonna tune out pretty soon too. But yeah, tomorrow it'll probably be a continuation of this because I'm clearly not going to finish all of this in the next 6 minutes. Anyways, yeah, thank you for tuning in, and I hope to see you again soon. So here we're looking at tail, and right where we previously just assigned the scan results to be equal to tail if the other criteria are met. Instead, the other criteria were met, so we know we're assigning something to something, but actually it will be slightly different. We right, so we can say what? Yeah, we can say if not dashing tail and the whole right. Oh yeah, right, okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. It was like wait, power 1 range. Oh, for dashing, yeah. Okay. Alright, so this is actually going to get a little bit more complicated. 4 minutes worth of complicated, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, this will probably be like one of the last things that I change for now. Right. So, yes. We can say if not dashing, and then that'll be part of our etc., etc. And then let's cut the rest, because let's nest instead. If was it mobs carrying tail, and this, then we do this, else, I wonder if this is gonna, I hope this doesn't add too much lag. I mean, mobs don't use the targeting system anymore, so hopefully because of that, we won't have to worry about the performance quality of this of the scan quite as much anymore. So actually instead of that, I'm actually going to nest this even further. And that's to say as much, and then also else, that we can just else for mobs carrying. And we actually kind of want to put in, actually, yeah, I guess we put that if, the else if here, else if, and it's not actually that, it's because now we're not, because if not carrying, then we're not looking for the result, we're looking for the backup. So yeah, and right, so actually, I guess once we find the backup, we don't actually have to continue looking for the backup, because we're not going to find like a better backup really. So let's say else if scan no, this is fine. Okay, so if scan result equals -1 and all the rest of that. Then oh wait, not scan result. If scan backup equals -1. I mean, I guess that, I don't know. That part might not be necessary, but I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing either. All right, the time is now 6:30, so I should really get going. I'm not going to yet because I don't like leaving stuff untested so thoroughly. Hypothetically now, bombs should be better. Oh no, yeah, this should be better at targeting, right? Yeah, look at that. Because this is what I fixed. I did it, yeah. So now I can make bombs better at targeting, but for now this is an improvement. So maybe this is a fine stopping point. Alright, yeah, and now I won't bother chasing dudes that are fleeing because those dudes are jerks. And it was making a weird stutter thing happen that I didn't like. Alright, so I can take out that print. No, not those. Not that. Yeah, I can take out this. And actually, you can just take out all references to P, such as these. And ship it. Ship it. We're done forever. We finished the project forever. Not even close. But we're doing okay for now. So, hey. Yeah, we're doing okay for now. I am going to be late for a thing if I don't leave soon, so I'm going to leave quite soon. In fact, I'm going to sign off this very moment, this very instant. Thank you, Internet, for hanging out. I don't know. I felt a little not listless, but like I felt a little bit. I don't know. I wasn't on today. I don't think I wasn't like as super focused as I prefer to be when I'm working. So I don't know. Maybe it's just because we were doing like more experimental stuff, whereas the stuff that I've been working on previously, I'd had a much stronger idea of it before starting. But I think we made like good forward progress. I think. Oh, whoops! I need it now that we fixed things. I should put the outside radius way back up again to 15. I think we decided it should be. Or, you know, it just seemed like 15 seemed like a good enough number. So, yeah. I don't know. I guess yeah, there's one thing that I want to change about. I'll put it in my notes. Uh, Make mobs spawn on camera, and like I've been saying for the last 7 minutes, I really should be signing off. So yeah, we tomorrow we'll probably continue with where we left off, and I don't know. It's getting to the point that like there aren't really big features to implement. There aren't like this is one of the like if you count balancing as like a feature, then like that's basically the only like big one to put in, I think. At least for now. I mean, this is only going to be like I'm only planning on making the project good enough to demo, and then I hopefully I'll be getting feedback from friends and anyone who I can coerce to to try playing the game. And yeah, I guess I really have to stop. I really have to stop. So I'll leave it at that. Have a good night, internet, and I will see you tomorrow.